Hi friends, kamusta po kayo? Attorney Elaine. What are we going to do today? Today po, I'm going to talk about the visa bulletin for April of 2024. Ayan. So I'm going to be sharing with you my screen. Okay, how do I do this? All right, okay. So, ayan. So, nandito na tayo. Sorry about that. Okay, so what are we doing right now? First and foremost, I want to introduce myself. Ako po si Atty Elaine Antonio Bordeaux. I'm an immigration lawyer. I'm based in the United States. I've been practicing U.S. immigration law for 15 years. Ayan. I represent clients from all over the world. And of course, marami po tayong mga kababayang Filipino that I represent. Okay. So today, I would like to talk about the visa bulletin kasi maraming naghihintay sa kanilang mga immigrant visa. I'm going to talk about the family petitions, and then may mga ilang category lang with the employment visa applications that we're going to talk about. Okay, so what do you do with the visa bulletin? Yung visa bulletin is, ito po ang paraan for you to know kung malapit na ba ang iyong petisyon. Ayan. So, as you know, kung ang pinipetisyon po ay immediate relatives, sila yung mga asawa, anak na below 21 years old, na walang asawa, magulang, hindi po sila tumitingin dito because hindi po sila kasama dun sa quota, you know, but it doesn't mean na walang processing time na like when you file it, the following month, you get the approval. So, mas maikli, usually around 1 year to maybe 1.5 years. But para dun sa mga ibang klaseng, ibang category ng kamag-anak, katulad ng ang anak ay mag-over 21, nag-21 and over, o kaya ay yung ang kanilang petitioner ay green card holder lang, ay subject sila dito. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do. How do you see the visa bulletin? How do you get to this? Mag-Google lang po kayo, visa bulletin for April 2024. And nakapost ito sa travel.state.gov website. And ina-update po nila ito every month. So you can check this every month. And the thing is, if you do have a lawyer, you don't need your lawyer to check on this. You can just go on this website and check it for yourself, okay? Kung wala po kayong abogado, ay ito po ang paraan ng pag-check. Okay, so we're gonna go over the different categories first, and then titignan na natin yung mga priority dates. Yan, di ba? May tinatawag na priority dates. Yung iba naghihintay, ang tagal, sabihin nila, naku, malapit na ba yung priority date ko? Yan. Lalo na po yung F4 category, yung mga siblings petitions, yun po, talagang mahaba ang waiting time. And ang dahilan is marami pang petitions na na-file mula sa Pilipinas, and limited po ang visa available every year. So may 3 bansa na sobrang dami ng petisyon ha. Mexico, India, actually 4 pala, China, and then the Philippines. Okay? Alright, so ano ba yung mga categories or yung tinatawag na preferences? So let's talk about that. F1, this is important kasi when we go to look at the chart, doon mo tinitingnan kung anong category. So F1, ito po ang beneficiary, ang mga pinipetisyon ay unmarried sons and daughters of US citizen. So sila po yung nag-21 na and over, wala pang asawa, and ang kanilang petitioner ay US citizen. Okay, mag-scroll down tayo. Ang priority date na ipaprocess na ng National Visa Center ay April 22, 2015 for F1 category. So titignan niyo yung priority date nyo. Ayan, kung on or before April 22, 2015, expect na makatanggap ng notice from National Visa Center. Kung wala pa man, ay pwede nang mag-inquire. Okay? Yan. Tapos yung susunod na category naman, spouses and children of unmarried sons and daughters of permanent residents. So yung F2 category, ang petitioner ay permanent residents or green card holder pa lamang. And ang kanilang pinipetisyon ay either yung kanilang asawa, yung spouse, o kaya yung kanilang mga anak, ayan, na unmarried, walang asawa. And the petitioner is a permanent resident. F2A category on or before April 1, September 2023. Yan. Okay? Yung susunod na category natin, as you can see, yung F2 category, nahati siya sa F2A and F2B. Okay, so yung F2A, siya yung spouses and children. Spouses, asawa, and then children below 21 years old ng permanent resident. Yung unmarried sons and daughters naman, 21 and over naman yon. So na-split po siya into F2A and then F2B. So yung F2A is September 1, 2023. Yung F2B is October 1, 2013. Yan. So yung F2A hindi masyadong malayo, September 1, 2023. Okay, so yung next category naman ay F3 category, married sons and daughters. Ito na po yung may asawa, anak ng, we're on F3, sorry. F3 category, married sons and daughters of US citizens. So sila po yung mga nag-asawa ng mga anak ng American citizens na. Okay? F3 category, June 8, 2002. More than 10 years, di ba? Oh, I'm sorry, chart B. Ay, ang gulo ko. F3 category, November 8, 2003. Ayan. So, how do you know? Doon sa priority date po, doon sa receipt notice, you will see yung date ng filing ng petition. So, kung pag ang date nyo ay on or before November 8, 2003, ibig sabihin yan ay ready na for processing sa National Visa Center. Pero hindi pa yun hindi pa yun ang huli kasi second part lang yun. Then it will go to the US Embassy. Okay? Yung F4 category naman ay yung mga kapatid, mga siblings ng US citizens. So only US citizens can file for their brothers and sisters. Tapos yung brothers and sisters, it doesn't matter kung may asawa na sila or bata sila or overage na sila. It doesn't matter. So relationship dapat ay magkapatid. F4 category, ito po, April 22, 2005. So pag on or before ang inyong priority date, it means na ready na for National Visa Center. Okay, so National Visa Center is the second part. Pero, what does it mean? Yun na ba yun? After you submit the documents, ay interview na agad sa US Embassy? The answer is no, kasi meron po tayong delay ngayon. And you can see here, if you go to chart A, okay, say for instance, itong F1 category. Sa chart B, April 22, 2015. Okay? Pero, pagdating sa actual interview, yung mga pinaprocess nila 2013, March 1, 2013. So may delay. But itong chart B, ito yung pag dumating na yung priority date nyo dito, meaning it's ready for National Visa Center, And pag dumating sa National Visa Center, ay meron na naman mga bagong requirements. Number one, ito yung two major requirements, ano? Yung immigrant visa application and yung affidavit of support. And right now, everything is done electronically. Ayan. So meron tayong mga ibang episodes sa ating YouTube channel na Attorney E Immigration Lawyer. So if you have not visited my YouTube channel, please do po. Marami tayong mga information. Okay. So the way you visit this is i-Google Visa Bulletin for April 2024. Tignan po ang chart B para sa National Visa Center. Dito sa pinaka-kanan, you can see the Philippines, and then you can see the priority dates. Okay, and then you must know kung ano pong category kayo, whether over 21, sinong petitioner nyo, US citizen, kapatid ba, or permanent resident. Okay, so that's how you do it. Okay, so may nag-request po sa akin, sabi niya, attorney, pag-usapan din po natin yung iba't ibang mga employment visa preferences. Okay, so meron din po yung mga ni-sponsor ng employment visa sa US, and merong five categories. Yung pang-5, sila yung mga investors, okay? Pero yung the first 4, sila yung mga workers. And in particular, let's talk about the EB3. Ito yung skilled workers, professionals, and other workers. Kasama na po yung mga nanny, caregivers. Yan, dito po sila nakapasok sa EB3 or third preference. Okay, so let's go to chart B again. Yan. Ayan. So, dun sa right part, makikita niyo yung Philippines, of course. And then dun sa left part po, you will see yung different categories. Ayan. So, when you're looking at third category, ito yung mga skilled workers, professionals. Yan. Meron bang waiting time? Okay. So, ang priority date na pinaprocess is January 1, 2023. So there was a time right after COVID, of course, maraming mga na-disrupt na employment. Naging current po ito and nagkaroon ng need ng workers. Pero as you can see now, meron na namang pong delay ng konti. May processing time. I won't say it's delay, processing time. So hindi siya current. So meaning, pina-process po ngayon yung applications na na-file ng January 1, 2023. Ayan. So, may complicated when the worker is in the United States and then she needs to maintain lawful immigration status, So, but anyway, mostly naman ng employment visa application ay may abogado. So, kapag malapit na po ang inyong priority date dito sa January 1, 2023 under EB3, mag-contact na po kayo either sa agency nyo or dun sa abogado nyo or sa employer nyo. Other workers, dito po kasama yung mga caregivers natin, yung mga nanny. As you can see, May 15, 2020. Ilang taon na ang delay? 4 years na, no? Ang diferensya. So marami tayong natatanggap na request for consultation and this is the EB3 process. So this is kind of discouraging for many employers kasi kahit gusto nilang kumuha ng caregivers, say from the Philippines, then yung processing time is about 3-4 years, 'di ba? To 5 years. So parang yung aalagaan, buhay pa ba yung aalagaan pagdating ng caregiver? Yan. So yun lang yung mga challenges sa immigration law, sa US immigration law, I think na dapat ayusin. Okay? Because the reality is marami pong hanap buhay, maraming mga trabaho sa Amerika na meron talagang severe shortage ng workers dahil yung mga tao dito ayaw na nilang gampanan yung mga trabaho ngayon, including yung mga caregiver jobs. Okay? So, unlike in Canada where they actually have a program to recruit workers to the United States. Ayan. So, I mean, Canada, they have actually a program to recruit workers to Canada. a specific program for that. We don't have such a thing in the United States, di ba? Kasi alam nyo naman, dito, especially ang mga tao, you know, they live longer and kailangan talaga nila ng mga caregivers. Ayan. So, ang, you know, they really need to work on US immigration law kasi I think it's very, very broken, ika nga. Yung pamilya nating mga Filipino na naghihintay ng mga 20 years, di ba? And then yung mga qualified workers na dapat ay madaling makapunta sa Amerika and they can help our economy. Ang dami nating mga engineers, ang dami nating mga IT professionals na nasa Pilipinas that can just easily come to the United States. Pero dahil sa limitations on the visa, it's very, very hard. Versus dun sa flexibility ng current administration to allow, you know, people coming from the borders. Diba? So parang for the Filipinos naman na naghihintay and also there are also people from Mexico who are waiting for a long time kasi parang sa Philippines din po yan marami silang mga applications. So dapat talagang ipag-isipang maigi at i-fix itong ating immigration system. Anyway, I hope I was able to update you dito po sa ating visa bulletin for April 2024. I hope I can do it again for May. You know, minsan sobrang busy and walang time to actually do this. Kaya ngayon, I want to take the opportunity po. Ayan, so kung hindi pa kayo nakapag-like sa aking, subscribe and like sa aking YouTube channel, Attorney E Immigration Lawyer, please do. And then maraming salamat po. If you want to schedule a consultation with me, mag-text kayo 713-315-7793 or mag-email eb@eboardlaw.com. Maraming salamat.